Hi, this is Manish Jain here, and today we look at what is ATS and how you should make an ATS compatible resume. So first of all, let's understand what is ATS. ATS is an acronym for Applicant Tracking System. It's a software that scans resume for specific keywords as per the job description and gives a score how much a resume matches a particular job description. So what happens is when you apply for a job online, even before your resume is seen by a physical recruiter, it first goes to the ATS, which is an algorithm or a HR software which will scan your resume with the job description and it will see how much it matches with the job description and it gives a score. So if it is 80 and above, say for example, your resume goes to the next level, or it just ends up in the dark cyber hole and is never seen by a person. Almost 75% of the resume, yes, 75% of the resume never ever reaches a human or it's read by a human. So what is ATS? It is a software which screens, shortlist, does interview scheduling, assessment, storing of resume, as well as communicate to the applicant. So it's all-in-one software used by almost 98% of Fortune 500 companies. And companies just love ATS. Why? Because it does the work very much easier. Say for example, for a particular position, say a brand manager of a company, there will be 10,000 people applying. So it is almost impossible for a person to literally go through each and every resume. As such, ATS makes the work very much easier. So good score for ATS is 80% and above. And let us see which are the top 10 softwares which are generally used by the company. The first software, the ATS software, is called as Oracle Taleo, which is having almost 20% of the share. And one of the good features of this particular software is it's integrated with Outlook. Second is Bullhorn, which has email tracking and in-system access to LinkedIn records. Then we have IBM Connect browsing, which has effective assessment as well as it is optimized for social media. Then other softwares are JobWhite, ICIMS, Smart Recruiters, Greenhouse, Bamboo HR, and SAP Success Factors. These are the top 10 softwares, ATS softwares for 2021. Now, the most important part is how to make an ATS compliant resume. So first thing is, don't have a photo, no graphics, and no 2 or 3 column formats. And it should be tailor-made to each and every job that you apply for. There is no one resume which fits every particular job. It has to be tailor-made with specific keywords as per the job description. And include action verbs which are specific to a job. Say for example, accomplish, administered, and so on. And if you are working in a finance company, you can include words like generated, decrease the cost, increase the revenue, accelerated, and so on. And use appropriate section headings like skills, then mention your skills like core skills, soft skills, and so on. Don't use ambiguity words like things I'm good in and so on. Then when it comes to experience, write clearly experience on top. And the best format for ATS compliant, to make it ATS compliant, is to use reverse chronological resume format. I still see many people using functional format, but the best format is reverse chronological resume format, where your latest experience comes first. And once you make a resume, you can always check how much it is compatible with the job description by using a software called as JobScan, for which I'll make again a separate video altogether. So to sum it up, guys, first thing first, ATS is the truth, and you have to make a resume which is ATS compliant. And a good score is 80% and above. It should match at least 80%. And to make it ATS compliant, I've given you the details here, right? So if it looks like a big of a task, then we are always there to help you, and we are there to write your resume. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in the next video.